Redbridge, Campbelltown, completed 1838. This is the back of the fox hunter's return. These bricks are laid into the footpath and they go way up over the hill and along the footpath of the whole town. Each has a name of a convict that was brought out on the convict ships. Incredible. There must be thousands of them. This is Ross, and that's the bakery where it has the best vanilla slices in the world, they reckon. It's straight across the road from the Holden Sales and Service building. I bet you this place has got some stories to tell. Sue's found this old car down there. It's got big saw blades as wheels.
Hi everyone, we're just about ready to critique the vanilla slice of Ross. We have a normal vanilla slice, which is on your right, and still in the box for afters, of course. We have the French vanilla slice. The one we had at Sheffield the other day will take some beating, I think, because it was extra yummy. Bye for now.
I gotta sit and look back this way, have I?
Yeah, somehow.
Somehow. Oops. Hang on, stop.
I don't know how romantic it is, but anyway.
I don't know how this is romantic.
Look around this way.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't know why these chairs are called lovers' chairs. You can't see each other.
That might help with the romance of it all.
There's faces in the sculpture all the way along here. A remarkable little bridge. Yeah, we're going to go on the historic walk to the old stables. Sue's investigating the stables by the look of it. The old stables. Yeah, we're now arriving at the women's factory. So this is the women's factory, and down through this paddock, down through there, there are all these different little dwellings and stuff which are not here anymore. But that was the setup. This is what remains of a Catholic chapel that was erected in 1955 for the ladies who resided here. That was the layout of the whole place. That over there is the church we were at before. They were the cells. And we're in this little house now. That's all gone. This is Jackson, known as the Mayor of Ross, 2003 to 2016. He's a little Jack Russell. I think you can see there.